Around about 11 GMT. Looking at the GBP USD over here, that little bit of uncertainty that we saw around the uptrend line yesterday sorted itself out, and the market came down to the outer uptrend line, and it seems to be pulling back from it to continue its upwards extension. Please just have a little look out at that downtrend line. When the market reaches it, just make sure that it actually does break through it. If it does, it follows then, that the market will extend to the back of that downtrend line over there. But please just hang around in the market a little bit and see what it does over there before you make a trading decision on the pound. Looking at the euro, the extension was quite nice, quite strong yesterday. I'm looking at the 4-hour chart because that's the only place where we can really make sense of what's happening in the euro US dollar relationship at the moment. Extended very nicely downwards towards the previous level that it can take out, which is over there. Hasn't reached it yet, but as I said yesterday, please do have a look at the euro USD on the shorter term charts for entry opportunities. I believe that there will be some very nice trading for us in the euro USD today, tomorrow, it may be even into next week. Looking at the Japanese yen, dollar yen relationship, we can see that there's a very strong downwards move on the 5-minute charts at the moment. That might just be noise, so let's have a look at the 1-hour chart. See, you would have been mistaken. It seems like it was indeed some noise. Let's put our trend lines back where we've had them the entire week. Oh, that's not a trend line. What am I doing? Sorry, just gonna delete that one. Just draw in a trend line from there. It's bounced a little bit, but you get the idea. What's happened here indeed is that the market has actually, if you remember, it has broken the short-term trend line, extended to the outer trend line, and it is now having to make a decision whether it wants to break through that trend line or whether it's just a bounce on the trend line that's going to make the market continue its southwards move. It would be worth your while to wait it out, guys. I say this often, but it saves you headaches. Just wait it out and see. Gold was our real star yesterday, performed exactly according to predictions, came through the trend line, retraced a little bit. What I did was I placed a trade there and activated a trailing stop. So when the market retraced, it took me out on my trailing stop in a profit. Market retraced, extended again, I re-entered, and the same thing happened. My trailing stop was activated, and as the market retraced, I took a second lot of profit on gold. Now we can see a very clear decision at this trend line. The market's already halfway back up. Please do have a look out on the shorter term charts for entry opportunities there. It is clear that the market is heading back towards the back of that trend line, and on the way there it'll take out that level, so chances are that it'll then chase after that level, which will mean that the market's now making higher highs over a longer term period and will then continue its upwards bullish behavior. So we might all like yesterday, again today, go for gold. Until we speak again, guys, trade safe.